Hello dear student, here we are in the NumPy tutorial. In Python programming, NumPy is one of the important concept. So first we will see here what is NumPy. So NumPy is a Python library where the library means it's a collection of packages. Packages means it's a collection of module. So NumPy is a library which is containing many modules. And by using this NumPy module, we can have the concept of array in Python programming. So NumPy is used for working with the arrays. And NumPy is a short for numerical Python. Means for performing numerical operation, we use NumPy. It also has a function for working in a domain of linear algebra, Fourier transform and matrices. So in that case we use the NumPy. In short, you should know NumPy we use for n-dimensional array. So NumPy was created in 2005 by Travis Oliphant. And it is an open source project and you can use it free of cost. Means it is openly available. You have to just install it. Then we will see why we use NumPy. So NumPy aims to provide an array object that is up to 50 times faster than traditional Python list. So it is much faster than the list. The array object in NumPy is called n-dimensional array. It provides a lot of supporting functions that make working with n-dimensional array very easy, because in the NumPy we have some predefined function, and because of that we can easily perform the operation over the array. We don't need to do code for each and everything because the NumPy is already having the ready-made function, and because of that we can easily perform the operation with the list of values. Array are very frequently used in data science where the speed and resources are very important. So arrays are used in the data science. So what is data science? It's a branch of computer science where we study how to store the data and use and analyze data for achieving information from it. Okay, for example, there are various data science examples are there. You see many softwares are there. They organize the data in proper way so that we can access it also. For example, any reservation system, bus reservation system, railway reservation system, you observe their data is stored properly and we can access it according to our requirement. That is the example of data science. And why is NumPy faster than list? So NumPy array are stored at continuous place in memory location, unlike list. So process can access and manipulate them very efficiently, because in NumPy what happened, the values are stored in a continuous memory location as we have in the array, one after another, so that we can easily access it and we can easily store also. Which language is NumPy written in? So NumPy is a Python library and it is written partially in Python, but most of the part require fast computation are written in C and C++. So NumPy library is written in the combination of Python, C and C++. So because of that, NumPy is having more function and it work efficiently and faster than the list. Installation of NumPy. So when you install the NumPy, as you observe here, you have to just press this command. In the command prompt, you just type pip install NumPy and the NumPy will be installed. But before this command, as you should know, if you have Python and pip already installed on your system, then installation of NumPy is very easy. Means before pressing this command, you make sure you have already Python and you have pip installed on your computer. So now here we will go in the command prompt and we will see how you have to type this command pip install NumPy. So here we are going to command prompt by typing cmd, and then here you have to type Python. You have to confirm whether it is properly installed or not, so it will show the version. You have to exit this command prompt by typing exit command, and here you have to write pip and it will show this version and all. So it means that pip is installed, and if it is not installed you have to install it, and then at the last you have to install NumPy. So for that I already told you the command. So suppose here if I type pip install NumPy, so this is the command for the installation of NumPy. So in my device I already install it. Okay, so I just close this. And suppose if your pip is not installed, then what you are supposed to do, you have to go into the setup. So here I already copied the setup in the download folder. So this is the setup file, Python 3.9. So in this setup file you have to just double click, and once you double click you will be getting this option. So you click on modify, and you see here there is a right click on pip. So it means that the pip is already installed in your device, and if it is not installed you have to just tick it and you have to install by pressing next. So in this way you can install the pip. So I exit this. Here we will go in the sample NumPy program. So here we are in the Python screen, and you have to first import NumPy. Got it? And then you have to take one variable numpy.array you have to write, and then in the bracket you have to use list of elements. Suppose I am adding some elements over here, and then for printing as usual you have to write print statement with the variable ARR. Now we will run this. So you see the output of 1, 2, 3 is coming. Same program you can modify it or you can write in other way. Suppose as A. So here in place of NumPy you write A. Again you run this and it will work, and it will show the values 1, 2 and 3. So in this way you can use NumPy. This is the sample program. Again in the coming tutorial we will see the more programs of NumPy. So I hope you understood installation process of NumPy, uses of NumPy, and how to use in program. So for using program in the NumPy you have to first install that library, then you import it, and then you have to use in your program. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.